Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm gonna be turning myself into a zombie, and I have approximately 2 hours to do so because I need to do this within 2 hours, and then I'm gonna use the extra 30 minutes to clean my face off before I need to leave to go to work. Hopefully I can meet that time frame. So I'm hoping this will be fast because I literally have things to cheat and make my life easier. I will be using transfers. Now, I've done a zombie before and it's been years since I've done one because I haven't wanted to do anything that's like expected of me to do, so I've gone away for it. But because Zombieland is coming out soon, I decided, hey, why don't I just do this zombie look because we love Zombieland. I feel like I should have a Twinkie in my mouth right now. I love Tallahassee, he's my fave. Hopefully things don't take a really bad turn like they did in my Chucky video. The first time that I used transfers, because I should know how to use them now that I've experienced them. And yeah. So, as soon as I can get this open, we'll start. So I'm actually kind of mad because the piece I got for my mouth, that's really loud. The piece that I got for my mouth is not the one that I wanted. I wanted the one that goes on the side of your face that shows your mouth, like the teeth right here. And I went to a different location because I didn't know all this time that they had actually had a new location opening in the mall that's only within like 20 minutes from my house. I didn't know. So I'm very upset that I could have had this already and I just didn't because they annoy me. I'm going off memory. I'm not reading the instructions and I should probably do that, but the last time I did that the instructions confused the hell out of me. Okay, cut it out. Did that. There's something about transfer paper. There's transfer paper, right? To turn, press next on transfer paper, glossy side. Okay, yeah, it's this. I just wanted to make sure. Like so. Last. No! Okay. Going well. Don't forget my safety tips from last year. Get yourself a butcher knife and saw away. Oh my goodness. And like I said last year as well, the butcher knife was better. Okay, make sure you have a damp cloth. Okay, and this one. One side done. Can I tell you how not excited I am about putting that giant piece over my mouth? Like, I'm really not looking forward to it. See what I mean? How does this even happen? I have sticky crap down here and I didn't even stick anything on my face down here. Okay. I'm just gonna roll with it, I guess. It's stuck on my face and it's stuck on these other pieces. And I'm pretty sure that that's not supposed to happen. And I have bad expectations. And I'm not happy. And I low-key can't breathe. Oh, can you even understand what I'm saying right now? I'm so irritated. This was a bad idea. This is just a bad idea. And if it is a bad idea, I'm really upset because it means that I just wasted like $24 on these things and I'm not even working. I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I was struggling so hard to get words out. That wasn't funny. That wasn't fun. Like, at all. I don't like it. Okay, well, maybe. Okay, the zombie face is on. I can barely talk. But I guess that's okay because zombies don't really talk anyway. What is it? 11:47. We've only wasted 13 minutes. Okay. 13 minutes of torture. So pretty. So pretty and pretty and gay. And I pity any girl that isn't me today. So I completely cut out the clip of me putting the red shades into all of the crevices in my face because it's kind of like, you know, self-explanatory. You don't need to watch me put that in. You basically can figure out for yourself what I did. You're welcome for the super soothing music, by the way. Do I look dead? I think I look dead. I can't even fathom the amount of blood that I just put on my chin. I feel like I just ate some of this blood and I don't know if I did or not. This isn't edible blood, so I really hope I did it. Oh, and by the way, I was kicking myself for this right here. I should have done all the shading to further hollow out my face before I put anything else on my face. So, stupid me. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So if you like this video, give it 2 dead thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit the bell for notifications to know when I upload every week. And make sure to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Now it's time for the extra portion of this video. Portion when I ripped all this shit off of my face. For your entertainment pleasure. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels so weird. Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Okay. I really want to point out that this is really happening. That's great. Putting these transfers on for me is a struggle, but taking them off are so satisfying. You look so pretty. I gotta take my cheekbones off. We're done and ready to go to work, and I have 1 hour and 7 minutes to spare. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest of this crap off of my face. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye for real.